Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making eggplant patties, Frittelle di Melanzane. And here I have the eggplants. So I'm doing 2 of them. Take the ends off. And I'll start just peeling it like this. I will be frying this, and I have the frying pan ready. Okay, so just do like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna just empty this in a bowl. I'll continue on my own, and I'll come back and show you what I'm gonna do next. All done with the grating the eggplant. Now I'm gonna add some salt. Okay, and I'm gonna start squeezing some of the water out because eggplants, they have quite a bit of water and it's bitter, so we have to drain all the water out. And squeeze as much as you can. Okay, all the water is out. Look how much I got. I'm gonna throw the water out. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it back in the bowl here. And I'm gonna start putting everything else. Okay, so here I have garlic. And add the eggs. I'm gonna add the Italian parsley, nice and chopped. Pecorino cheese. You can put Romano cheese if you want. And some flour. And mix everything up. Smells good. I'm gonna be adding more flour and a little bit in the other egg. I'm gonna be frying these. And they're delicious. Okay, now I'll move this here. I'll show you the way I fry them. Okay, the oil is almost ready. I'm gonna start putting it in the oil. You just get yourself a nice spoon, nice and big, and just put them a little bit at a time. There, and you kind of flatten them a little bit, make them a little bit flat. Okay, so. And I just make them flat a little bit. Look nice. They're ready to turn them. Nice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.